Hi everyone, today we're making sliced beef and enoki mushroom in mustard green soup, which is a very appetizing dish. Hope you enjoy this recipe. To start, we're going to dice some garlic and ginger, which would add some aromatic flavor to the broth. Furthermore, slice some spring onion, which is often used for garnish of soup. And most importantly, we're going to use this pickled mustard, which can be found at Asian store. Finally, we have enoki mushroom or any mushroom of your choice and a thinly sliced boneless beef short plate. Quickly heat up some cooking oil, adding minced garlic, ginger, and this pickled chili sauce to cook for a minute. Adding the mustard greens and pickle juice, simmer for a couple minutes, and pour in the cold water. Bring the broth to boil, simmer for a minute. Season the broth with sugar just to cut down the saltiness by a little. We are almost there. Throw in the enoki mushroom to cook until it boils again, and we add in the sliced beef. Season the broth with some chicken powder, garnish with some spring onion. Look at that. The full recipe is in my bio link. Give it a try. Thank you for watching. Have fun cooking.